I'm going to be showing you calendar shortcuts in Outlook. So as you can see, I have my calendar open currently in Outlook. And now one thing we always do with our calendars is we always put in appointments or meetings. So if you want to create an appointment, you can do that very easily by doing Control Shift A. And what that will do is that will create a new appointment for you. And I'm just going to call this test, and I'm going to hit save and close. And as you can see, I now have my test appointment added into the calendar. Now we generally add meetings into calendars, and you can do that by hitting Control Shift Q. And what that will do is it will pop out a new meeting request. Now, if you have the host meeting online's button ticked off in your options menu, you will be auto-populated with a Teams meeting in the invite. If you do not, it will just be everything except Microsoft Teams meeting and so on. Now I'm just going to type in test meeting, for example, on this appointment, invite who I need to. So say I need to invite Alex, for example, and that meeting's to be at, say, 9:30 today. I can hit send, and as you can see, it will then populate into mine and Alex's calendar. We can also go to any day with ease within Outlook's calendar. If we hit Control G, we will get this go to date window. And with that, we can then select a date in the future. So say I want to go to the 27th of July, I can hit OK, and now I'm on the 27th of July. If you need to get back to today's date within your calendar, rather than scrolling back using the arrow keys or moving your mouse to hit today, you can do Control T, and that will take you all the way back to your current day, which in this scenario is the 1st of July 2023. You can also go to your previous and your next appointments within your calendar. So to go back to previous appointments, you can do Control and comma. And as you can see, it's now selected the test appointment that we made earlier. And that is the one that's before test meeting. If I do that again, you see it's now selected A. And if I do that again, it's moved back to Monday with an E with an accent as the title. You can move forward to your next appointments by doing Control and period or Control and full stop. And as you see, it's moving through my calendar. And as you see, it's going through and showing when I have different events as well. Now you may notice currently I'm in the week view within Outlook. You can change your view. So say I want a day view. You can either click a day or you can hit Control Alt 1. And there you go, you've got a day view in your calendar. So this is the view of my Thursday the 6th. I'm going to hit Control T and go back to today. And you can see that here. If you want to show a work week, this will generally be for most people Monday to Friday. You can hit Control Alt 2 and it will show your work week, so it won't show today's date, for example. Control Alt 3 will show your full week. And then finally, Control Alt 4 will show your month at a glance.